Hello and welcome back to another Wheels and Journeys YouTube review. I'm your host Prashirwin Naidu, and today, yes, I am in this little compact passenger, compact Polo Vivo, that is. It's 2024, it's been revised. I'm going over some potholes with this thing. Taking it around the city right now in peak traffic. It's early hours in the morning, and I have to admit, from the get-go, I've had this car for the last couple of days. It felt nostalgic to be back behind one of these because I used to own a VW Up, and in my time with that Up, I always used to just love it because of how simplistic it was, and the build quality and the driving performance. All those aspects really ticked boxes for me per se. But I think the gripes for this car is just definitely the high risk factor for owning a Polo. I definitely had to keep my eyes peeled this entire weekend when I went out, and you're going out to restaurants and dinners and late nights, and you just have to keep your wits about you. But yes, what is different? What can you expect from the 2024 Polo Vivo? Well, it's been revised, it's different, it's fresh. You have a revised bumper. Get up, hey man. Oh, everybody wants to be in the way in peak traffic. I mean, people don't take care about their lives. But anyways, yes, redesigned bumper, lovely new wheels, designed 15-inch alloy wheels. It looks good. I do like the compactness of the car. The color scheme for it is called Ascot Grey, and I do see the badges as well. It's a lot more shinier, which is another interesting conundrum. Oh, yeah, another thing. One thing I also dislike, or not really like, is just how there's not really much different, eh? Like, they're trying to make it look more upmarket, which is nice. The price tag of it is not cheap. It's about 320,000 Rand, so you are paying, for a Polo, for something that was considered budget-friendly, student, it's gone quite expensive. And I see why people are tucking into, other alternatives like the Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro. Yes, different category altogether, but I see why people are going for it. It's because cars are bloody expensive. Cars are not affordable anymore, and I like the Baleno, I like even the Franks, is a different category, but you get what I'm saying, is that there's more value elsewhere. It's still nice, it still holds its same compact, solid build. The driving experience has always been one of those things that I quite fancied about the Polo Vivo. But inside, what's different? Well, you have a new infotainment system, a new infotainment screen. It has Apple CarPlay and Auto. It supports that. It's nice, it's touchscreen, it's quite simple to use, and that's about it really. A few minor tweaks. The interior is nice. I like the stitching on the seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, of course, and that's about it. Yes, doesn't really have much, just the same thing. There's no nice safety systems, there's nothing. There's 4 airbags, it used to be 2, and yes, I mean, I'm just trying to think what's going on now, because you are buying a car it's a popular car amongst South Africans. People love it. It's sold bucket loads. Last month they sold about 2,407 units. So yes, you can see the way the market is. But that's my gripe. And driving it every day, yes, it's a solid build, good car. It says I'm averaging 13.3 kilometers per liter. I need to convert that, but they do say claim consumption is 5.4. Or 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers. This is a 1 liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated motor. It gets about 77 kilowatts, I believe, or might be less actually. I'll put the figures down there below. But from a day-to-day driving perspective, it feels quite responsive. It feels quite nice, and it feels quite smooth. It just very much reminds me of my Up, where I enjoy driving it because of how it felt, that flavor, that drive, and I quite liked that. I quite missed that nostalgic simplicity. But you are paying a premium price, or not a premium price, but you are paying a lot more than what it used to go for. And I know we all complain about prices of cars these days, and oh no, this is expensive, that's expensive. Unfortunately, yes, that is the crux of it. The 5-speed transmission feels good. The drive, I can't fault it. It's one of the best driving vehicles I've had in this category, to be honest with you, because of its refinement. It's solid German engineering and feels good. But yes, to buy the Polo Vivo or not to buy, I'm a bit mixed about it. So yes, thank you so much for watching this short video. It's a little quick review. Not planning on making it any longer for you. I want you